Hi everyone, I'm so excited to share today's video because it's about my talented friend from Brazil, Melissa Alachev. Melissa is a collage illustrator and author who creates handmade picture books that are simply magical. Melissa has written and illustrated 4 incredible books, and they are all completely handmade. To help me enjoy her stories, she went the extra mile and translated them into English, just for me. How amazing isn't that? You'll see the translations added on white paper, a clever and heartfelt touch. As you can see, her characters are so much fun, adorable, full of life, and incredibly creative. The colors she uses, they're bright, bold, and make each page truly unforgettable. If you ever thought about creating a picture book, let Melissa's work inspire you. Her dedication and artistry prove that collage is a fantastic medium for storytelling. Yes, it takes time and patience, but it also allows you to create something genuinely unique and special. So, why not give it a try? Let Melissa's creativity encourage you to explore the possibilities of collage. Remember, every masterpiece starts with an idea and a little hard work. Let me show you the other pages. As I show the pages to you, I want to talk about collage illustration. By the way, her handwriting is amazing. I love it. Okay, let's talk about collage illustrations a little. Despite what some people think, it's not easy and is a true labor of love. First, you start with your sketches. Then you prepare the colors you want to use. Often painting or sourcing the perfect textures. After that, you carefully cut out each piece one by one and glue them in place. But you are not done yet. You need to photograph your collage and then make final edits in Photoshop to polish it up. It's a lot of work compared to digital art, where everything is done on a screen. That's why I always say make sure collage is something you are truly passionate about if you want to use it for your stories. But the results, they're worth every second of effort. Look at this scene. Isn't that cute? Let's see the other ones. And I want to thank Melissa again from here. These books are amazing. Stories are amazing. I really appreciate her work. And this is the last one. Look at this. I mean, this is great. To my dear friends, Gunesh, love to you and your family, your Brazilian friends, Melissa. Thank you again. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel as inspired by Melissa's work as I do. So I'll see you later. Bye.